If you want to be a part of the conversation before it happens here on YouTube, click that link in the description to join the free Courtside Financial Discord. What's going on, everyone? My name's Obi and welcome back to Courtside Financial, the channel where we talk about business and technology. On today's episode, we're going to be talking about NIO's cumulative deliveries for the month of July so far. So this is going to be an interesting video. I'm going to give you my perspective, my opinion on where I think we'll land for this month. But before we get started, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and click the notification bell icon. Your engagement really does go a long way in helping out the channel. As NIO investors, I think that it's also important to keep an eye on the competition. You don't have to look at every electric vehicle maker in China, but certainly the ones that came up when NIO was coming up and are kind of in the most close competition with each other. So let's take a look at the data right now. We'll start with sales figures from Li Auto. According to their recent announcements on Weibo, Li Auto sold 7,700 units during the week of July 10th to July 16th. It's worth noting that they didn't explicitly disclose the basis on which their weekly sales are tallied, but they seem to be insurance registrations, and I'm guessing that's why CNEV Post put them on this chart. Li Auto's sales last week saw a slight drop of 2.53% from the previous week's figure of 7,900 units. However, their total sales for the month as of July 16th stand at 16,900 units. Now, turning our attention to our favorite electric vehicle manufacturer, NIO. During the same week, NIO performed admirably, selling 3,900 units, which represented an impressive 25.81% increase from the previous week's sales of 3,100 units. From July 1st to July 16th, NIO sold a total of 8,000 units. And so, like I said, while NIO investors might be primarily focused on their favorite brand, it's crucial to keep track of the competition. So let's take a look at the performance of other electric vehicle makers in China. On the chart here, we're also seeing XPeng, which is pretty comparable with Li Auto and NIO from the perspective that they all released around the same time, and a lot of people group these three companies together as well. So as you can see, NIO is outperforming XPeng from a deliveries perspective. XPeng delivered around 3,500 during the same time period. And also good to call out for people who aren't too familiar with Li Auto is that currently they only have plug-in hybrids. And so we know a lot of people in China are very sensitive to the range anxieties that come with purchasing an electric vehicle. And as that continues to flip, I think that we'll continue to see NIO continue to gain more market share of the new energy vehicle market. So anyways, based on NIO's recent trend, I think that they are doing pretty well here. I'll show you guys this, or actually I'll screenshot this and put it up on the screen because I think it'll be mirrored on my iPad. But anyways, July 1 and from July 1st to July 2nd, I deducted that they delivered around 1,000 vehicles. From July 3rd to July 9th, it was announced that they delivered 3,100 vehicles, and they obviously increased their deliveries from that period during the 10th to the 16th to 3,900 vehicles, bringing them to a total of 8,000 vehicles delivered in the month of July so far. So as we can see, NIO is ramping up their production capacity. Anyways, to go from 3,100 to 3,900, that's about a 25% increase on insurance vehicles registrations. So let's say that they're going to increase by about 25% next week, and that's going to put us actually at 4,875 for that week. And just to be conservative, not to blow anything out of the water here, let's just say they're going to do 4,875 for the following week as well. So we're already at 8,000, and we're going to do an additional 4,875 vehicles for an additional 2 weeks. That's going to be 9,750 plus the 8,000 that we're already at, and that puts us at 17,750 vehicles delivered for the month of July. I actually do think that at some point NIO will be able to hit this 20,000 vehicles delivered per month that Deutsche Bank has been telling us about, that the company has been telling us about. So things are looking pretty good for NIO. This is definitely good news. Don't see any reason or way somebody could look down on these delivery figures here. NIO, it seems to me as if NIO is really turning things around. So that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment down below. Definitely want to know what you guys think about the future of NIO as far as deliveries and the outlook on the company so far. Thank you.